This lovely little leaf. These classy little minimalist arrows. This excellent ribcage elephant. These elegant behind-the-ear starbursts. This delicate, intricate flower. This lovely floral wrist design. These less is more minimalist bird tattoos. This elegant stick and poke maple leaf. This cool stick and poke sunset. These BFF sun and moon tats. This inner elbow hot air balloon tat. This brilliantly shaded little cross. This sweet little compass. This extra cozy fox friend. This super cool Saturn high five. This tiny forearm forest.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.